foodies, welcome back. If you haven't yet, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next gastronomic adventure. Today, we are combining technology with taste as we dive into the world of AI generated recipes. Ready? Let's get cooking. First things first, let's set up our website. Choose a specific niche like vegetarian or gluten free recipes. It helps you stand out and resonate with a specific audience. Next, we'll use Chat GPT to generate content. This AI can whip up recipe ideas, write descriptions, and more, all at a chef's speed. Just look at it go! Creating content has never been easier. Now let's talk money. Once your foodie following starts growing, you can monetize. Place ads, sell products, or offer sponsored content. It's your kitchen after all. Alright, folks, we have just explored how ChatGPT can become your sous-chef and business partner. We are curious, what type of recipes would you want ChatGPT to generate? Vegetarian, gluten-free, something else? Let us know in the comments below. Before we say goodbye, remember to hit like, share this video with your foodie friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more delicious digital adventures. Until next time, bon appetit!